There you go.
Recording. Hey everybody, it's PC Mentalist here, and boy oh boy do I got a special unboxing for you. I got a package here from my good friend Zachary Davis at Slam Panda. Of course, you can see it's addressed to me. And without further any ado, here let's get this thing open. All right. I'm excited about this. I'm so excited. Oh, where else we got? Awesome, we got a Slam Panda decal. I'll put that on my car when I get it back tomorrow. If not tomorrow, it'll be Tuesday, guys. That's what we're looking at here. For those of you that are patiently waiting on the triumphant return of Praisenator. All right. I'm so excited. I've been waiting on this for a long time. Oh boy. Are you taking... Wow, will you guys look at that? Just look at that. Man. Of course, I'll be taking off that knob and putting my crescendo one on. Wow, check out the Marseillais. Zachary, you did me a good job, bro. You did me good. Wow. Oh my God. I can't, oh my, I mean, the craftsmanship is, man, it just blows my mind, guys. Yep, you're right. All right, can you go get my crescendo one in there, please?
Yeah. I can get to know you.
All right. Man. Oh, man. I can't believe that. Wow. I can't believe this, Zachary. I want to give a shout out to Zachary Davis and Slam Panda. And I also want to give a shout out to Miss Mona Parker. But yeah, I cannot wait to get this hooked up. Man, this is going to be so awesome. Man. For those of you that seen my crescendo knob, I'll be taking that one off and putting my crescendo knob on there. And I want to give a shout out to Mike Sims for making that for me. But this is the Praisenator Panda bass knob. Well, alright. Well, there you go, guys. There will be more coming on my channel within the next few days. I guarantee that. So for now, I'm PC Mitchell saying please rate, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And for now, PC Mitchell, I am the one and only PC Mitchellist out.